Alright everybody, my name is Daniel and I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Rocket League match in accordance with the PSEL rules. This rule set applies to the 2022 season, so let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and hit play, custom games, private match, and create private match. This will show you some rules here. We're going to go ahead and make sure these are all set to the PSEL standards. Game mode, soccer, arena, DFH stadium, but you can actually use the list in the rule set of maps that both teams can agree on and play on as well. Usually the default is DFH stadium though. Team size 3 versus 3, bot difficulty no bots, region US East. Joinable by name and password, that way only people that have the name and password, which should only be both teams, will be able to join. And let's go into team settings. So here in the team name, you're actually going to change the team name for both teams to the correct name for the teams. So the teams, for example, will be school and then the mascot. So for example, we can do these are just random ones. Allentown Jaguars. Now obviously you do hit a team limit, so if things are a little bit larger you might need to shrink things down or whatever, but that works just fine. And the same thing for over here, you would set the same. I'm not going to change this one because you guys get the point. And then mutator settings, make sure all of these are basically default. Max score, match length, overtime, max limit, series length, all of these are going to be the same as the defaults. All of these will be the same, gravity default, everything fine. Hit back and then create match, and then here you will change your name for the private match. So for example, make a name and password. The name can be something like team versus team. So for example, like what we were doing earlier, like Trojans versus Senators or something like that. Whatever it is, make sure it's school appropriate. The same thing goes for the password, just so people can't join the match without actually having the credentials. So just put in a quick name here. Load into the game, and this is where you'll hop into the lobby. So the lobby here, make sure both teams join in, make sure they're both on the correct team. If you do want somebody to be able to spectate, they'll join in here and hit the spectate button. And other than that, that should be all good. You should be all good to go. Hope this helps.